Hey guys, welcome to all. If you want to know about 10 and 5com review, watch the video till end. Today we are going to review this website as and by reviewer. So let's check out the details. As Talon Allen 5com is a shopping page that launched by a player Talon Allen with the brand name TA5. It offers merchandise and trading cards. The website domain has created 1st July 2021. So uh, it is a very new website and it is selling the products all over the world including United States. So what extra is mentioned in the website, as the founder has written a few lines like some portion of the proceed would be given to Mississippi State Foundation as he spent his 4 year journey in Starkville, so he wants to connect with it forever. Let's check out the specification of this website. It is HTTPS secured website. The contact text form is given on the official portal. The contact number has not been shared. Email support facility is absent. Company address presently unavailable. No reviews are present. Items offered are merchandise and trading cards. The brand name is TA5, which is created by the founder Talon Allen. The product will take a shipping time of 2 to 3 weeks. The payment mode is not visible as of now. The delivery policy has not been shared. HTTPS protocol and SSL integration fully secured the website. It has not started social networking pages right now. So the positive aspect of the website is that the company founder is famous baseball Talon Allen. The brand products are available and the brand name is TA5. The contact us form has been shared on the portal. Moreover, Twitter and Instagram links have shared. The negative aspects of the website is that shoppers' reviews are still inactive till now. All communication modes deactivate till now. It was created on 1st July 2021. Like it was launched on Wednesday. It has 1% trust index. It has not shared any policy like delivery, return, exchange, refund, and so on. Moreover, Facebook link has shared, but this is not also working till now. The shipping duration is longer for the delivery of the product. So the question is that is Talon Allen 5com is legit? So is this website that hosts item of the brand TA5 and has launched on Wednesday 1st July 2021. The website domain creation time is approximately just 1 week old and the founder of the website is baseball player. The average secure trust rank is 47.5 out of 100 and it holds 1% trust index due to early age. 0 Alexa rating. Content of the website is plagiarized. No customer reviews can be found. Contact us form is given on the website for any communication, but contact number, company address, email address all are off right now. Social media pages like link of Facebook is not active. Instagram and Twitter are working. So the website is actually too new and has less information, so it is hard to include its legitimacy. But as far as customer reviews are concerned, as we found that the website founder is Talon Allen and he launched his brand TA5 and the website is just launched, so there is not much information or details are available and no customer review can be found. So we can say that it is an e-commerce portal by Talon Allen which is with the brand name of TA5, but it is hard to wind up the legitimacy of this website due to its early age. So we consider few points to conclude, like average trust rank, bad trust score, no communication mode available, no social media page active, no policy have shared, high rank items, user reviews are not available. So we are just recommending you, it's better to do your own research before going for shopping from this store, so you may not get scam, or wait for some genuine reviews to come so you may make a wise decision for shopping.